Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. Like I said in the last video, I just wanted to play with the watercolors and the water brush and I don't know, I'm a little rusty because I haven't done a watercolor thing in a long time, and also I apologize for the camera setup. I can't remember if I've recorded a video since I moved or not, because the lighting was really bad and I only noticed after maybe halfway through, I don't know. So I'm sorry for the bad lighting. It's completely blown out and you can't really see anything because it's all white. But it does get fixed. But I feel like I've probably outgrown that filming setup. I should probably just I don't know, do something about it. But it's okay, it works. I'm just kind of over the whole velcroing my webcam to a desk lamp as a ring light camera setup. I feel like I could probably do better. But yeah, I don't really do traditional artist videos too often, so that's what kind of stops me from investing or whatever. But we'll see. And I just want to apologize for the video, my supposed Wednesday video, which was made public on Friday because I had it all ready and good to go. I just forgot to schedule it, which is super dumb because I kind of messed up my upload streak for no reason. But whatever, it's up and it was done on time, so that's okay, I guess. I'll just let you guys enjoy the music now, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.